So now I'm going to walk you through the process of installing plugins on WordPress. So the first thing you need to do is scroll down to the bottom here until you see this plugins tab, and you can go ahead now and see all installed plugins by clicking on install plugins. And in this section you can actually see the plugins that are already installed on your website, and here you can decide on what should happen on any plugin. So let's say the Elementor plugin, which I already installed here, I can decide to deactivate this plugin. Very easy, and they're going to ask me why I deactivated it. I'm just going to click on skip and deactivate. So once it is deactivated, I just need to come back here and I can select that same plugin and delete. So I'm going to be deleting the Elementor plugin to show you the different kind of things which you can do on this plugins page. So if we decide to add a new plugin, I'm just going to go to the top and I'm going to click on add new. Once I click on add new, it's going to take me to this store here that has a list of plugins, and what I need to do is just go ahead and type in Elementor. So when I type in Elementor, I'm just going to go ahead and search for Elementor, and they're going to show me the Elementor plugin, which I'm going to go ahead and install. So this is the Elementor plugin here, right here. I'm going to click on install. It's going to take some few seconds, in some cases up to a minute. Once it is installed, I'm just going to click on activate, and once it's activated, the plugin is set up and you are ready to use that plugin at any point in time. So another thing that you can do to install a plugin is actually uploading the plugin from your desktop. So sometimes you might have to buy a plugin which is a premium plugin and not found on this store here. What you need to do is click on the add new option here. So once you click on add new, you're going to see this button, they say upload plugin. So what you need to do is click on that and you're going to see choose file. In this case, I don't have any plugin I want to install manually. So in your own case, if you have to install a manual plugin, which you're going to learn how to do that, or maybe you might need a plugin, a special plugin which is not in the store, you just have to choose file and install the plugin. So that's it with installing a plugin on WordPress.